Hey YouTube, it's sDiaLsfinEst. Let's go ahead and do a test on the invisible shield side for the iPhone 4, and let's see if it makes the signal bars drop using the death grip. So let's give it a try. Phone's on, 3G's on, full bars. I'm gonna go ahead and do the death grip, and there's my phone. Let's see what happens. So far I got full bars. Looks like it dropped one bar down. 4 more to go. Death grip still there. Still holding steady. Oh, there's 2 bars down, so I have 3 bars up. I can't feel my fingers. If you guys are wondering, that's a picture of my wife. Oh, let's see what else. We have 3 bars left. So 2 bars have dropped since I've been holding this and I can't feel my fingers. It's been about a minute now. So even with the invisible shield on the side, it still drops a little bit. I have pretty good 3G reception here though, so dropping 3 bars from 5, it's not too bad for me, but for other people who have bad service already, like in LA, San Francisco, and New York, I can see why that's a problem. The only solution to this is get a case. Don't use the bumper, because that scratches your phone. Check out my other videos. No bueno. Well, it looks like it's going to hold steady at 3 bars. So that's a, 2 bar drop for the invisible shield on the side. So it helps a little bit. I've tried this before without it, and it completely just drops and no signal left. So this is pretty good. Alright guys, if you have any questions, leave a comment.